sold my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger. I'm well aware, but you don't look ashamed, and baby I'm not.
Yeah, how to scare the shit out of Alex, 101.
He's catches enough as is. What the fuck was that? He was behind me with the lights on. I think he was trying to give you a fright act. Yeah, same. Fuck me. It worked. He went right on went back that way.
How good are fuel prices at the moment? It's such a luxury to be fucking grabbing it. Watch your fuel gauge just go, yeah, fuck nice.
Actually,
Bro, are you gonna park your car straight or just on an angle?
That's it. Yeet. Fuck the red. Does anyone know if you can actually order a decaf coffee from Death Before Decaf?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but they cite you in a really judging manner.
Like they do. Like
he's like
some cinnamon sweetener.
Sure. Would you like some wanky milk with that?
Can we?
oh my god.
Go.
Matt, you're in love, aren't you?
They're expensive these days.
Your staring obsession is hilarious.
Wait,
That's exactly how I want to own an AE.
We don't like
AAC.
We decided to go to the pub, have some food, but like always, I'm out here while everybody else is eating, fixing my car.
Flashback.
Okay, so I just discovered that my door lock no longer works, so I have to use the key, turn it, and then open it. Otherwise, I now have to go in through the fucking window. Shitbox race cars.
I'm here fixing my door here.
Is he doing it right? Everyone start judging him.
What's wrong with your Civic?
What in?
Mate.
Door.
Who had a calendar at the table?
Dude.
Yay! Fixed it!
Breaks the key off.
Oh,
Don't say that.
touch wood. Touch wood. Practice there.
Let's go get food.
Go get food. I'm broke too, but
Fucking through that.
Yeah, it could be done.
But your life
I thought they were a little bit more creative than that. I just,
shapes.
What are they? They're in shapes.
Clean up on aisle 3. Clean up on aisle 3.
are you okay?
How to sum up your life?
Do you wish to print a receipt?
No, please let me leave this all.
Do you want your change?
What?